Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can create such amazing email campaigns for promoting your business as well, and that too in few minutes. You can create campaigns like this to promote your business using an amazing software that is Pabbly Email Marketing, which is an amazing software with the help of which you can easily and efficiently manage the email marketing of your business. If you want to learn what is Pabbly Email Marketing, what are the features and how you can set up your account, you can check out all the video links I've added in the description section below. Without wasting any time, let's get started how you can create email campaigns inside Pabbly Email Marketing. So you have to come towards the email campaigns page of Pabbly Email Marketing. To create a new campaign, click on this create email button. You have to select the campaign type first, for which I will select over here as regular. If you want, you can select API workflow campaign according to you. Next, we have to name our campaign, for which I will write over here as promotion campaign. Okay, next it is asking for the from name. My business name is Natural Glow Skincare. So for the from name, I'll write over here as Team Natural Glow Skincare. Okay, after that it is asking for the subject and the pre-header of my campaign. For the subject and the pre-header, I will write over here as subject is glow naturally this season, exclusive skincare offer insight, and the header is pre-header, hydrate, nourish and glow with natural glow skincare special offer for you. And you can see right over here, this is the preview, this is the from name, this will be my subject and this will be my pre-header. It will appear like this is a live preview. So I've selected all the details. If you want to add in a variable in your subject, you can add the variable from this section as well. I don't want that, so I'll skip the part and click on this continue button. And next we have to select the template. So these are the pre-created templates that we have provided to you. You can select one of them according to your requirement, but I'm going to create a template from scratch from here because I want to show you how you can create campaigns, email campaigns for yourself from the start. Okay, now after that you have to select the email builder type. Do you want to create an email builder of drag and drop, a rich text editor or an HTML editor? I will select the drag and drop option, but if you want to learn how you can use other options to create your email campaigns, you can check out the video link of email campaigns in the description section below. We have taught you about both of the builder types as well in that video. I will select the drag and drop builder from here. As soon as I've done that, we will appear on this page. This is where we're going to drag and drop the elements that we want in the email campaign from this section of content right here. First, what I want a header. The header should be like this. So this will be my header. After that, I want a title. After the title, I want an image. So I'll add in the image, and then I want the text. After the text, I want a button. So I will add in the button right over here, and then I want to add in the social media. So you can see this is the basic template that I have built. This is what I wanted. Now let's change the things. I want to change the logo. Click on this button. I've added my business logo right here in the image section. You can upload the file from this section. Click right over here. Upload the file from your computer. The size should be 500 KB only, and upload this from here. Insert the logo. Okay, now for the title as well as the content, and I will add in the image also. You can add the image in the similar manner that I've told you before. So I will add in all the details and show you. So this is the entire body. The title is start using natural glow skincare now. This is the body. You can see I've added this image. The body is your skincare deserves the best. You can see right over here, this is what I wanted to write. Next is go to website. Click on this button. Add the link of your website right over here in this target link section, and as soon as anyone will click on this button, they will be forwarded towards this URL instantly. And last is the social media handles. If you have your Facebook, Instagram account or LinkedIn profile, you can add the URL of all your profiles in this section right here. If you want, you can add in more social media. Let's suppose I want to add WhatsApp, so I'm going to add WhatsApp right over here, and I want to remove the Telegram, so I will remove the Telegram. You can edit the social media handles according to your requirement as well. And in the end, you can see there is a footer. This footer is mandatory to send with all the emails that you will send using Pabbly Email Marketing, as it is mandatory to use this footer in all the email campaigns that you will create or all the emails that you will send using Pabbly Email Marketing to all your subscribers. Okay, so now this is the campaign. I've created the campaign exactly what I wanted. I will click on this send button now. As now we have created the template. After that, we are going to come to this window where we are going to see the final draft of the email campaign. So this is the campaign details, name, subject. You can change right over here as well in this step. Okay, And you can see senders details from name. So this is the from name that we have entered in the starting. Next you have to add in the delivery server. If you want to learn how you can add your delivery server inside Pabbly email marketing, you can check out the video in the description section below. So I have a delivery server added, so I'll select it from here. As soon as I'll select that, the email is also going to be selected right away, of the from email, with the help of which the emails are going to be forwarded. Okay, after that there is this recipient details section. So I have created a subscribers list inside my Pabbly email marketing account. If you want to learn how you can create your own subscribers list, what is subscribers list, so you can check out the video in the description section below. So now I have already created a list in the name of new list right over here, new subscribers. So I'm going to select this list from here and confirm this list and add it right over here. If you have created multiple lists inside Pabbly email marketing, you can select multiple lists right over here according to your requirement as well. I do not want that, so I'll skip the part. Okay, and if you have some individual email addresses that you have not added inside this list, but towards those addresses you want to send the email campaign to, so let's suppose I'm going to add in this email right over here, that is test44332@pabblytudes.com. okay, so now towards this email also you want to send the campaign. So press the enter key and save this email address right over here. You can add in up to 200 individual email addresses in this section as well. Okay, after that there is send or save email campaign. So now you can also schedule this campaign for later. Let's suppose I want to share this campaign 2 days from this day at a particular time, and automatically at that date and time that I've selected, this campaign will be forwarded. So I'm going to schedule it from here. I want to share it Sunday on 10 a.m. okay, so I've selected the date and time right over here. You can send this email campaign instantly as well. I will schedule this email right over here, and then you will come to this final. You're all set to go. So now you can check all the details from here. Okay, everything is correct. I will schedule this email campaign from here. As soon as I will do that, you can preview the campaign from here as well, that what kind of an email campaign will be forwarded. So you can check out the campaign from here as well. Okay, so this is how you can create such promotional email campaigns for your business super easily, and this will work because you are promoting your business. You can convert your subscribers into paid customers for your business using the campaign strategy as well. Okay, so if you have questions or doubts related to this video, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Use the code ANGYT that you can see on the left side of my screen. You will get instant discounts on the purchase of email marketing lifetime plans. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.